Isang dancer at choreographer na si Renzo Ayo na may connection sa Sony Music Philippines kumasa sa pinakabagong viral dance break ng SB19. Narito ang kanyang video.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.